Good afternoon. It's 1 o'clock here in Panama City Beach, Florida on opening weekend for the kind of the busy season. And I'm out here at shores of Panama trying to get some grout lines to freshen up. Now this is a owner that I have cleaned for before, and she bought a new unit, and she said, my cleaner just said these are the worst grout lines she's ever seen. So when I got here, I started doing some testing, and I found out that these grout lines have had a water-based acrylic sealer put onto it very heavily. Now, when they do that, I don't like water-based acrylic coatings to begin with, or the sealers that you can get at Home Depot and Lowe's that you paint into or roll into the grout lines. And this is why. They're acrylic and water-based. So yeah, they seal the grout off and make it less, you're not gonna get much staining happening to the actual grout, but everything sticks to the acrylic. And so your grout lines start getting really dark, and eventually that does get through to the grout itself. If you think about like the Walmart floors where they put a wax over the top of it, they look pretty good for a while, but eventually it'll take on enough soiling that it'll get down into the tile itself. It's happening here with the grout lines as well. And so what we're doing is a really fun process, getting down on hands and knees. Got some floor stripper just chilling on these grout lines right now, letting it try to eat through some of them. And then I get to go over it with a wire brush and try to scrape as much of this stuff off. Once I get through that layer, I am finding some staining still. You can see here is a grout line that I've already done, I think, versus here is one that I haven't yet. And I'm kind of in the middle. It's kind of where I started coming over, so you might see a little bit that looks kind of clean, but others that are not. So we do that, then we're in a condo, so we've got our portable unit up here and our spinner tool, and we'll extract everything once we get the grout lines scrubbed. But this is why you don't either pay for cheap floor cleaning and sealing. You know, if you shop based on price alone, this is the kind of stuff you're going to end up getting. Also, if you try to DIY cleaning and sealing your own grout, I know it's much more cost effective to do that in the front end, but then you've got to deal with it on the back end, and it gets more expensive then. But I'm going to get back to work. Thanks for watching.